What if I told you America's carrot obsession isn't just about health? It's about power, beauty, rebellion, and even psychology. Carrots have quietly become more than a crunchy snack. They're showing up in skincare routines, productivity hacks, social media trends, and even political symbolism. And chances are, you had no idea why. But today, you're about to uncover 5 shocking, unconventional benefits of carrots that will change the way you look at this ordinary orange veggie forever. Let's start with the one you think you know: eyesight. Sure, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, crucial for vision. But recent research suggests it goes beyond just your eyes. Vitamin A plays a key role in brain clarity and decision-making. In other words, carrots might be sharpening not just your physical vision, but your mental foresight. Think about that. A vegetable that helps you see the road ahead, in every way. In a culture obsessed with planning, manifesting, and vision boarding, is it any wonder Americans are addicted to carrots? Now let's talk confidence, the kind that starts with your skin. Carrots contain carotenoids that give your skin a natural, healthy glow. And here's the kicker. Studies show people with a carotenoid-rich complexion are rated as more attractive by others. Not makeup, not filters, just carrots. Americans may not even realize it, but they're reaching for something way deeper than a snack. They're crunching on confidence. Quiet, edible beauty, and it's completely natural. Ever noticed how satisfying that crunch is when you bite into a carrot? That's not just texture, it's science. Crunchy foods stimulate dopamine release, the brain's reward chemical. It's the same hit your brain gets from junk food, but without the crash. In a society battling anxiety and burnout, Americans are subconsciously using carrots as low-calorie stress relief. Every crunch is a microdose of calm, a snack that doubles as therapy. Now that's next-level wellness. But there's another layer. Carrots are a status symbol. Subtle but real. Think about who you picture eating carrots regularly. Yoga moms, tech bros, nutrition influencers, the Whole Foods crowd. Carrots aren't flashy. They're intentional. Eating carrots signals discipline, health awareness, aesthetic living. You're not just eating, you're choosing. Choosing clean over processed, self-care over self-neglect. In America, where what you eat is almost a personality trait, carrots are like the minimalist badge of honor. And here's the most unexpected truth. Carrots are political. In the 2000s, as America's food consciousness started to shift, carrot farmers didn't just sell veggies, they rebranded them. They launched a full-blown campaign to market carrots like junk food. Americans started choosing carrots over chips, not because of a moral health choice, but because they were sold the carrot lifestyle. What started as a campaign became a quiet revolution. And now every carrot stick is a small act of rebellion against the processed food machine.